Hi, I'm Dr. Tricia, and today we're going to be taking ear mold impressions for Clara. All right, so we're going to go ahead. I'm going to take a look in your ear. Good. So now I'm going to use this small foam piece here, and I'm going to place it in the ear canal. Okay, so I'm just going to place this here in your ear, and I'm going to very gently guide this into your ear. It's normal if you feel like you've got a cough. So now I'm going to go ahead and I am going to take a scoop. This is silicone, like a silicast. Okay. And what happens is when I mix them together, here, this becomes, let's mix this up all together. It's all even. Good. I'm going to place this in the syringe. All right, we're just gonna let that sit for about 5 minutes. Okay, Clara, so now we're gonna do the other side. So I'm going to take a look in this ear. Looks nice and clear. So same thing, I'm going to place this small foam block into your ear. You may feel slight discomfort and it may make you cough. Now I'm mixing it. So the putty looks like this. Okay, I'm going to place the syringe in your ear. It's going to take about 5 minutes for the material to cure, and then we'll take the impression material out of the ear. So when the material is cured, it's going to be firm to the touch. And so what we do is we just loosen it around the ear, very gently. And then twist. And then we have the ear mold impression. I'm actually going to probably make a second one of these. Okay. And then I'm going to take a look in her ear. Good, everything looks good. Now this was a very shallow ear mold impression because the patient was having some sensitivity with her ear when I was placing it. And for the purpose of this type of mold that I'm making for the patient, it does not have to be a very deep impression. This should be okay. We do have a first bend here, and then we were getting to the second bend, which if we are doing anything like a custom hearing aid or a musician plug, we want to get past that second bend. This is more for retention for the patient. Let's take the other one out. Let's take the other mold out. So on this side too, same thing. We are going to go ahead and I'm going to just loosen this around the side. Twist it out. This is the ear mold. This is your ear mold here. This is your ear.
Okay.
Right?